How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Sick Eric Tech, and today we're going to be going on over the new notification settings on the Google Pixel 10 Pro or any other Pixel that is running the QPR3 Beta 1. Now, I noticed there has been some changes to notification organizations on here, and I thought it was interesting. I never noticed that before because it is updates. So going on over, as you can see right here, notifications are now bundled. You have social, you'll have one that says suggested. There's also one that says promotional. I thought I was getting ads on my device because it kept saying promotional, but no, that's like your Gmail and stuff like that. But now you have the option to expand further upon all your notifications. You can see right here, you get suggested. You can expand further. These are a lot of YouTube stuff. And you could just further keep expanding your notifications on here, and it'll keep organizing them for you as well. Now, you can't turn this feature off if you don't like it. I'm still getting used to it. So if you go into notification settings right here, and if you go into notification organizer, as you can see right here, choose notification types you want to silence and bundle together to minimize interruptions. The organizer uses AI on your device, which may sometimes make mistakes. Your notifications are never sent to Google. So here you go for notification organizer. Now, I think this was automatically checked on after the update, and you have promotions, which is sales, new features, and more. You also get news, top stories, editorials, and more, social, likes, posts, and more, and then suggested, which is going to be newsletters, recommended media, and more. You also have the option to expand, automatic, always expand, or never expand. And then you could also have a section over here of don't include these types of apps as well for that. So this is pretty cool. So if you go into your notifications, they are now categorized, as you can see right here. So the first one, we could expand it. And then the second one, we have social. So if I click on that, I've got 4 that I could expand, and then I could further expand depending on the app that's on there and how many are for that app, which is pretty cool. If I go into suggestions, here we got YouTube, and then we got some YouTube music. If I further expand that on YouTube, it'll show some recommended videos for me on there as well. So that is pretty cool. And I definitely do like this feature. Like I said earlier, I thought I was getting spam or ads for promotion on here, and I was like, what the hell is this? But it is automatically on. So if you go into your settings, and that will be on. You could also go into notification summaries, which I noticed was new on here. So this will summarize a long message and group conversations to quick recaps. Summaries use AI on your device, which may sometimes make mistakes. I like how Google's emphasizing on it may make mistakes. Use notification summaries, and then you could also manage your apps that you want to manage on that. It's going to do all your messaging apps, your Gmail, Facebook messaging, phone, and things like that. So that's another cool feature. And then you also have notification history, which you could activate. This, I just have it off, but you have the options on there to turn on notification history to see recent notifications and snooze notifications. And then, of course, you get all your app notifications as well. So yeah, it's a very cool feature. Notification organizer, just noticed it on here, been playing around with it, and I like how it categorizes all your notifications. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I will see you next time here on Sick Eric Tech. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Peace.